life, and wellness. The ultimate value that we are eager to protect through our technology. So we ask ourselves, can we? A way to find the answer to that question. On that road, we lead the way to change and innovate the biotechnology industry. Creating new value with new technology that did not exist in the world before. We are SD Biosensor. R&D Center of SD Biosensor. This is the foundation of technology, where SD Biosensor's value is created. It's also a place where numerous researchers and experts lead the way and prepare for tomorrow. The technology is visualized as products through the full automation manufacturing facility. And it is provided not only locally in Korea, but also to about 100 countries, expanding from India, Indonesia, and China subsidiaries. The first field where the SD Biosensor technology is concentrated is the chronic care platform. The blood glucose monitoring system, recognized for its high accuracy and excellence, as well as its diverse product lineup. Also, standard LipidoCare and standard G6PD achieved portability, speed, convenience, and high quality. SD Biosensor leads immune diagnostics with unparalleled product competitiveness. Providing a variety of rapid test kits, Standard Q ensures thorough quality control from raw material development and production, and it is in the process of developing a more differentiated product lineup. In addition, Standard E, represented by the latent TB diagnostic kit, is an ELISA brand of SD Biosensor for mass screening. And Standard F, which will shift a paradigm in the field of fluorescent immunoassay. As a fluorescent immunoassay system for a quick and accurate quantitative and qualitative diagnosis, it combines the convenience of POC and the stability of immunoassay system for objective and strategic analysis of various diseases. Also, we have increased convenience of use by adapting a 2D barcode technology, which does not require a code chip, and it enables accurate diagnosis by providing quantitative COI value for qualitative assays. Standard F has 3 model types to allow the user to choose based on their workflow requirement. In particular, the F2400 enables up to 70 mass tests per hour, and it ensures effective data management through interfacing with the hospital system. SD Biosensor is spurring on Standard M research based on technology, experience, and know-how, which has been accumulated for a long time. It is the molecular diagnostic technology and product development that enables early diagnosis of infectious diseases and drug-resistant diseases at the point of care. With the expansion of the POC molecular diagnostic test market, Standard M will become the most powerful brand in the market. SD Biosensor continues to strive and lead the way to find the answer for public wellness and a healthier living. SD Biosensor has globally expanded its possibilities through collaboration with global organizations. as a global POC total solution provider. SD Biosensor has established various product platforms, from screening to confirmatory tests. We continuously discover new approaches, such as next-generation sequencing, which is a truly advanced diagnostic tool against life-threatening diseases. We will become a global diagnostic company for a better world. This is SD Biosensor.